It's morning here already and it's raining. Hi guys, good morning. So it's Thursday morning and it's raining. I'm just playing with my fur babies. Here's Chloe. Hi Chloe. Hi baby girl. And that's Kylie. Hi Kylie Bear. Hello. So ayan guys, maglilinis ako ng floor namin kasi si Chloe, in heat siya. So, ang daming dugo-dugo doon sa floor. Kaya, today, maglilinis ako. So, pasensya na kayo sa mukha ko kasi kagigising ko lang. And I'm just gonna make coffee. Oh, wait lang ha. Gagawin ko lang sa lamin tong camera. Ayan. So, I'm just gonna make coffee, guys. And, yeah, today nga pala, I will be making... Wait lang, ha? Diba? So, today nga pala, I'll be making... Oreo! Quiet, babe. Please. Thank you. So, gagawa ko ng pickles today. Cucumber pickles. So, yan. I'm gonna show you how I do my cucumber pickles. Chloe! Stop it, Chloe! Ha? Bakit sa mga taas? Di pwede lang. Kaya natupay mo dati. Hindi ka pa pwede river. Hindi ko lang river. Yun! Masok. So guys, nakakatamad kasi umuulan. Tignan nyo. Ayan, maulan. Doon talaga ako tumitingin sa, sa screen. Kaya yung mata ko nandun. Kaya, parang, lang. So, tapos na tong dishwasher. I-ano ko na, i-unload ko na kasi tapos na siya. So, mag-unload lang po ako. Mukha. So, hi guys. Pasensya na kayo sa mukha ko. Haggard na ako kasi I just finished baking my order kasi ako today, cinnamon rolls. So, if you don't know, I have a small business. Maliit ako na business, guys. It's all about baking. Like, cakes, cupcakes, cookies, brownies. So, today, may order ako na cinnamon rolls. Hindi naman siya, marami. Dalawa lang actually. But anyway, it keeps me busy. So, ayan. Ito ngayon, guys. I'm currently making pickles. So, i-share ko lang sa inyo kung paano ako gumagawa ng pickles. So, binilagay ko na kasi kanina, I was planning to film, but na-busy ako sa cinnamon rolls ko at ang, samo kay diri ba sa kusina, so wala na lang nako gi-film pag-cut nako. But anyway, obviously this is a mason jar and cucumber. I cut the cucumber lengthwise, and under here are 3 cloves of garlic, dill. I'm sure you know what dill is. It's a herb. And chili, green chili, and peppercorns. I'm not sure if you see the peppercorns. So, ayan, nilagay ko lang siya dito. Yeah, actually, I forgot to salt the cucumber. But anyway, I don't think that maybe hindi siya ganong masarap kasi hindi ko siya na-salt. Nakalimutan ko talaga. Ngayon ko lang nakita na because the liquid is coming out. Pero naano ko na siya kasi. Ewan ko ba. Kung hindi pa ako nagsalita na hindi ko siya na remember na hindi ko pala na-salt yung cucumber. Kainis naman. But anyway, ewan ko, baka as is ko na lang, you know, i-skip ko na lang yung salt part kasi nga hindi ko na alam kung paano to kukunin. Ang dami na ng ano gagawin ko. So ito yung pickling liquid ko, guys. So ayan, dyan may vinegar, water, sugar, and salt. So, i-boil ko lang yan for 5 minutes or until the sugar will dissolve. So, guys, ayan, na-dissolve na yung sugar sa pickling liquid ko. So, ang gagawin ko is i-pour ko dito sa mason jar. So, perfect yung liquid ko, guys. Ito, itong camera ko. So, ayan na siya. So, mamaya ko na siya i-cover. So, ang tanga ko talaga, so ito yung cover. Mas mabuti, mas maganda if yung jar mo is malaki yung baba so that you can arrange the cucumber properly. Mas maganda siya. So, na-skip ko talaga yung salt part ng cucumber. So, if you wanna do that, guys, dapat i-salt nyo yung cucumber. Tapos, i-leave nyo ng around 30 minutes. Tapos, i-strain nyo yung para yung liquid is lumabas siya. So, ipapakita ko pala sa inyo yung nagawa kong cinnamon rolls. Ito yung mga binibenta ko, guys. Ayan yung pangalan ng ano ko, Bake with Amy. So, dalawa yan. Dalawa lang yung order today. At, i-ano ko lang yan, COD, guys, yung sa mga delivery courier dito. And yung mga alaga ko ayong kumain. Today, nakakapagod today kasi nga yung gumawa ako ng cinnamon rolls, tapos naglaba din ako. Wow, ang dami kong ginawa. Tapos naglinis ako ng konti, nagtiklop ng mga damit. Wow, I'm so productive. Pero nga, yung mga aso ko ba, hindi kumain kasi ayaw nila sa pagkain, mga spoiled brat. Wait lang, guys, ha. Kasi ayusin ko ang and ito si Kylie. Why did you not eat? Katol? Ano katol man abi? Why is itchy? Hi guys, I'm Kylie. I'm so arty, guys. Di ko mukaon, guys. Kay arty kay ko way lami ang sudan. Sige na, sleep tight na dira. Sleep tight na. Munsa man imong kanon? Ha? Munsa man imong kanon, Kylie? Ako mata ba? Muadto jud sa pikas. Sa screen mo na bura ko nalibat. Ba, Kylie? Di ba, baby girl? Nabahala na lang, oy, hindi makita. Safe na dira, nasuko ni. Isamok. So, ayan, guys, yung pickle nga pala, guys. Best siya if you put it in the fridge. So, after nito, mainit pa kasi yung mainit pa ang kaniba. The liquid is still hot. Bati ang akong lightning diri sa kusina. Pangit ng lightning ko sa kusina. So, ayan, yung pickle is it's best siya guys if you put it on the fridge and after 4 days mo pa siya kainin kasi you can eat it after 24 hours, but for best result para yung flavor is ma-develop talaga siya is you eat it after 4 days. Uy, kainit pa. Guys, I want to share something to you kasi ako guys, yung metabolism ko is not very good. I have a very slow metabolism kaya mahirap akong pumayat. If I'm gonna do diet, mahirap talaga kasi yung metabolism ko is very slow. So, and then occasionally I always have constipation. Hindi ako everyday mag-poop. So, that's a problem for me. So, I want to share sa inyo kung ano yung ginagamit ko to soothe my constipation. Yeah. Ito yung una. Dalawa kasi yung ginagamit ko. Actually, I'm just using tea. Yun lang yung solution ko sa aking constipation. So, the first one is this one. So, this is the first tea that I use. It's called Traditional Medicinals. Organic Smooth Move relieves occasional constipation. It has this is original because you can find with flavors. So this is the original, but it's with senna. So this is organic, guys. I bought this in Healthy Option. It's a bit pricey than, you know, the one that you find in the supermarket, but I actually find this effective. So I drink this after dinner, before going to sleep, and in the morning, mag-ano na ako, I'm gonna poop in the morning if I drink this after dinner and before going to sleep. And yeah, so this is a stimulant. It's a laxative tea. So it relieves occasional constipation generally within 6 to 12 hours. Yeah, so it's really best for you to drink this before sleeping. So I really like this because it's organic. And the other one actually, guys, is Bigger Light tea. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but it's very popular here in the Philippines, Bigger Light tea. So I'm gonna put picture somewhere in the video of the Bigger Light tea. The problem lang sa Bigger Light tea is when I drink it, I also drink it during after dinner before going to sleep, same as this one. But sa Bigger Light tea is in the morning, guys, yung kapag napupupo na ako, masakit yung tummy, parang it's like your tummy is being squeezed. Pero ito hindi, natural lang siya. That's why I prefer this. Pero kapag hindi ako nakabili nito, I just buy the Bigger Light, because Bigger Light, you can just buy it anywhere, any pharmacy here in the Philippines, in Cebu. But this one, you can only buy this in Healthy Option. So, you know, I have to stock this. But if maubusan talaga, yun yung Bigger Light tea yung gagamitin ko. But yeah, yung Bigger Light lang talaga is sumasakit yung tiyan mo, parang sinisqueeze yung tiyan mo in the morning, and then magpupupo ka na. Yun lang yung difference. And ito is, yeah, like I said, natural lang siya. Parang wala lang. It's very smooth actually, a very smooth process. So if I'm gonna recommend, I recommend this the most over the other one. So ayan, guys, so that's it for this video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.